Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord embed fail. So first and foremost, make sure that the server or channel that you're in allows you to send embeds. So for you to know that, basically you need to contact the admin or server owner if that particular channel has no embed permissions or stuff like that. But to fix this, and you've already asked the owner or something, or you already know that you can set embed links there, and you can't, first what you want to do is go to the gear icon right here, and click on chat right here. Make sure that this option is turned on when posted as links to chat, and here too, the show embeds and preview website links pasted in chat. Make sure that these are turned on. So that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.